What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Closet of Kids Convos Vibes Unleashed. If this is your first time here, this your girl Trina, and I want to quit. Like seriously, 7 weeks in on this journey, which is weird that I want to quit now, simply because I was doing it since January, February. And so these last 7 weeks, I guess because I'm more intentional with it and I'm not really just seeing the growth, it is becoming exhausting. I'm understanding the burnout, but I'm not going to quit. I did say I was going to see it through, and I do actually enjoy recording the videos and different things like that. But it's sometimes it does suck whenever you're not seeing those numbers grow the way you want to. Week 7 has been pretty decent. It doesn't seem like I've been doing the monetization journey this long, but week 7 I did see an increase in my subscribers. I did also see an increase in my view duration, which I am grateful for that because my number of views dropped considerably, but the time that those videos were watched did increase. So I can take that. I'll take that. So we'll stop here. We'll look over at the numbers and then we'll come back. Okay, so here are my numbers from October 10th through the 16th. 396 views. I'm looking at 11.9 watch hours. And the most exciting thing that happened this week, I gained 31 subscribers. Let's look at the content. I did do 2 videos. I did get some 0.9K impressions. My click-through rate is 3.3%. Again, I am trying to get to at least 4%, and then my average view duration is 1 minute and 53, which I think is actually pretty good for me. If we go back and look at the chart that thanks to Alexa and Ty, here are my week 7 numbers. We have 396 views, which is down compared to the last 4 weeks. But my watch hours is up compared to last week. I mean, if you look at those numbers, I had more views with less watch hours, but my view duration went up, so I am excited about that. Click-through rate went up 3.3%. Again, I'm excited about my 31 subscribers. If we look at this, according to the graph and what I have going on, I am at least 70% to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. My watch time, but I'm going up, right? Even though it's only 12%, I'm going up. It says I have about 12 weeks to gain those subscribers, but 66 weeks to gain the viewing hours. So hopefully it does not take that long, and things start looking up from here. So let's get back to the video. All right, so you saw the numbers. You see where I'm kind of, views are down, but again, like I said before, the duration that the audience did watch was up. I do get a lot of comments that I respond to, so I do enjoy responding to the audience, answering those questions. The encouragement that they give is like crazy. Like, it is so supporting that you have so many other channels that reach in like, hey, your video hit my feed, I enjoyed it, I'm new too, don't give up, keep going, I'm just getting started. It's rough out here. So I do appreciate that, and that helps a lot with with the support, different things like that. But it is, I'll be lying if I told you that this was just like the easiest thing. It's a walk in the park piece of cake, because it is not. But again, I am doing this for the purpose of creating something that other small YouTubers can understand and can relate to, and they decide to you know what, if she didn't give up, I'm not gonna give up, or maybe they can come in and tell me something that's working for them, because I'm always up for advice, different things like that, because I would like to see the channel grow. I would like to see the channel ultimately become monetized. Of course, that's the point of this journey. But I want to create that content that is meaningful to the person on the other side of this camera that's watching this video. But everybody who's been supporting me thus far, I just want to say thank you. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and so you don't miss a video. All right, so one thing I do want to talk about is the new series that I started. I'm 2 videos in. I have the next 2 released this week. I am excited in a sense of creating the videos because it is created for a particular audience. It is created for the small channels, the new YouTubers who are struggling, who are kind of dealing with what I'm dealing with, the burnout, the fatigue, the lack of motivation when you don't see the results. We're talking mindset shifts. We're talking about those things that, to expect as a small channel and a small YouTuber, different things like that. So make sure, if you have not, make sure you check out the new series. Again, I have 2 new videos that will come out this week, and I'll see you in the next video.